We are officially trading the London Open. It is exactly 1 a.m. right now, and I have a buy stop up here and a sell stop down here for a breakout. So let's see what happens, guys. This is my strategy here. I'm guessing it's going to be probably a sell stop down here. It's going to probably go to breakout towards the bottom. We'll see. We're still waiting here, and now it's 1 minute after 1 a.m. 5-minute chart. We're looking at a quick profit. What I notice is that when 1 a.m. hits here Mountain Time, 1 a.m. is the London breakout. If you're in Eastern Time, I think it's 3 a.m. But I'm guessing it's going to be a sell stop. If it hits the sell stop down here, I will cancel it. There it is. It opened up. So I'm going to cancel this buy stop now because it's irrelevant. Now we're in the trade as a sell. Now I want to get out once our profit is around $9. Don't want to get greedy here. Don't want to get greedy. What I do sometimes is put a take profit. It all depends how fast it's moving. But sometimes you can mess up putting a take profit on there. So what we want to do is be very careful. Put a take profit at around actually no, spread is a little high, so we actually want to put it around 20 here, because as we're noticing here, the spread is kind of high. You got to be careful with the spread, because you might think you're covering yourself, but in reality you're not. So here it is. It's still going down. All right, there we go. We can't get greedy, guys. We took a profit right there. Let's see where we're at. So we took a profit of $11.50 minus I think $4.60 commission, puts us at, so 11.50 minus 4.60, $6.09. Not bad, not bad. We don't want to get greedy. What I've noticed is it might continue to go down. It might actually continue to go down, but what happens is it goes down to a certain point and then it comes right back up. So the London breakout session on the 5-minute chart, it's a quick thing. You got to take your profit, and it's still going down. You see that, but it doesn't always go down. And we're using very high lot sizes here, so that right there, it was a good trade. That was actually a good trade. I could have probably made more money. Next time, you know, we might make a little more money, but we're good right there, guys. Thanks for watching. This is what I do real quick every night. Tuesday through Thursday, I've noticed is the best time to do this. It doesn't work very good on Monday or Friday, but this is, see how it's going to start to go back up now. So we took that at $11.50 quick profit. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon next time.